Hello everyone, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to explain you income tax basic concepts. In my previous video, I explained you two income tax basic concepts, that is SSE and person. Now in this video, I'm going to explain you two more basic concepts of income tax, that is previous year and assessment year. Students, the subject income tax is based on income tax procedures and income tax basic concepts. So unless you understand the basic concepts of income tax and income tax procedure, you will not be able to do the problems easily. So for doing the problems easily, every student should understand the income tax procedure and income tax basic concepts. So before starting the videos on computing income from different heads, I am going to explain the basic concepts of income tax. So two basic concepts I already explained. Now in this video I am explaining two more basic concepts, that is previous year and assessment year. Students, the basic concepts which are given by the Income Tax Act has some technical meanings. So every student must understand the basic concepts and all the income tax procedures. Then it will be easy for all the students to do the problems. So now the next basic concepts which I am going to explain you is previous year. Previous year and assessment year, these two concepts are very important for theory also. In examination, most of the time the examiner will ask what is previous year and what is assessment year. So previous year is the preceding 12 months period to the relevant assessment year. It starts on 1st April 2022 and ends on 31st March 2023. The total income earned during the above period is considered for tax purpose. Therefore, it is also known as income year or accounting year. Previous year is the financial year immediately preceding the assessment year. Now students, the current assessment year is 2023 to 24. So the preceding 12 months period relevant to the assessment year was 2022 to 2023. So the previous year was 2022 to 23. So previous year is a period of 12 months. It starts on 1st April 2022 and it was end on 31st March 2023. So students, previous year means is a year in which SSC earned the income. So the previous year is also called as income year. And the word previous year mostly you will find in while doing the problems, because in every question the word arise previous year. So every student should know previous year. So previous year means a year in which SSC earned the income. Okay. Now the next is assessment year. Now our current assessment year is 2023 to 2024. Assessment year means the period of 12 months commencing from 1st April of every year and ending on 31st March succeeding the financial year or previous year of the SSC. The current assessment year is 2023 to 2024. During this period, the total income of an SSC earned during the previous year is assessed to tax. It is also known as tax year. So students, assessment year means again it is a period of 12 months commencing from 1st April and ending on 31st March. And our current assessment year is 2023 to 24. And assessment year means a year in which the SSC, what whatever income earned during the previous year will be taxed in the current assessment year. Therefore, assessment year is also known as tax year. I think all of you understand the concept previous year and assessment year. And in my next video, I will explain you what is income and classification of income. And in my coming videos, I will explain you how to compute income from different heads. So students, like and share this video with all your friends, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe now so that my future notifications related to my future videos will come to you directly. Thanks for watching the video.